Today, we're going to take a look at an easy way to renew your headlights. The first thing I do is to clip off these little aimers, and you can leave them on if you want, but they sort of get in the way of the buffer. Then you can just touch them up lightly with the grinder. Next, we're going to wet sand it with 1200 on a DA. Then we're going to buff it with compound and polish. And we'll clean the wheel of the compound. And now for the polish. And last, we'll give it a coat of ceramic coating from Armor Shield. And this is the little applicator sponge, and you just apply it like that. Let it dry according to the instructions, and then wipe off any extra residue after it dries. And now we'll wipe off the residue, and we're finished. And with this armor shield on there, this should last quite a long time.